Hey there! We all know that content is the lifeblood of any online business. Having your own info products, ebooks, PDFs, or even just regular articles on the web is the fastest way to internet riches. Most importantly, people who are selling content, info products, or even article services to other people are making an absolute killing right now. Just take a look at this article. Content marketing is expected to be a $400 billion industry, and marketers who are able to sell their own products stand to make tens of thousands of dollars every month. Just take a look at some of our own results. The problem? Ebooks and PDF info products are expensive to create, and writing content yourself takes forever. And it's all because you need a lot of knowledge to be able to create useful content or products that people want, and then to send traffic to them and convert into sales. Beginner and expert marketers alike have had a hard time cracking the secret content code. Today, we're changing all that from the ground up by offering a true, all-in-one, cost-effective solution that creates fully fledged info products, ebooks, and articles at the push of a button, then sends you red-hot targeted traffic. The best part? It's 100% newbie-friendly, and it automates everything with just one click. It creates exactly the sort of content that online and offline businesses are ready to pay hands over fist to get. ProfitBook does all the work for you below and claim your piece of the $400+ billion content marketing pie. Welcome to the future of internet marketing. Welcome to ProfitBook.
Hello there, welcome back to my channel. This is your Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, where I review and promote cloud-based products, info products, and training courses. In short, basically anything that is going to help you make money online. Now today I have yet another amazing software called ProfitBook, and ProfitBook actually is going live on the 1st of September 2022 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York time, which is 5 p.m. Central European Time and 4 p.m. GMT. And of course, in a nutshell, this one is a brand new cloud software that turns 1 million plus articles and 10,000 plus ebooks into 100% unique content, and of course 24/7 free traffic in minutes. This is what Mike McKay and Radu, the producers of this very content, this very software, is saying. And of course, we have every reason to take a look at that and then of course do it properly. Now, this is exactly where we are. I will show you the amazing bonuses that I have for you, which are lined up for you, and of course also show you the pricing for this one. Unfortunately, I have no access to the review access of this one, but definitely I will put the demo video which I received on how this works when the product is in action, and of course you will be able to get information exactly how this one is structured to suit your business. Okay, so with that said, let us just see my amazing bonuses before I go into the sales page and of course the demo video for this software when it is in action, so that we go from there. And now this is my amazing bonus page. My bonus number one will be Latitude, which is a unique and beginner-friendly spin on push button profits, and this means that you'll be able to make money using the NFTs, which are non-fungible tokens that are transacted on blockchain exchange, of course using digital ads. Of course, this is one thing that is making waves now as we speak, making money for a lot of people. Even kids, minors, are making money using this very opportunity. Now that's what you have there as my bonus number one. My bonus number two will definitely be Twitex, which is a Chrome extension bot that is going to help you crack the Twitter traffic and drive traffic to any offer, including website, landing pages, sales pages of your choice. So you have basically a Twitter traffic platform that you are going to make money, of course driving traffic to any offer of your choice, including affiliate links. Now that's my bonus number two. My bonus number three will be Insurgency, which is a training course from A to Z on how you can master Facebook ads for affiliate marketing. It's a crazy one, that I can assure you. Now you have my bonus number four as Lazy Traffic Sniper, which snipes traffic lazily for free buyer traffic, which will definitely perform the miracle you may be waiting for, making money online. So it's another good opportunity and a software that you're going to make use of, and the whole training is structured inside this very link. You will get all the training there. Bonus number 5 will be JavaScript Commission Board, which is a bot system that is going to help you make on autopilot 4-figure daily commissions. So it's a crazy one that you need to get. For this reason, buying this very product using my link will definitely give you access to all the softwares and training courses. Now my number 6 will be the lockdown formula, which is a training course, a complete training course that is going to teach you from scratch and start a business and scale it digitally and making money from 0 to 10,000, 5,000 per month. Of course, you know what that means. Talking about your income. Okay, so, and that's my bonus number 6. My bonus number 7 will be over 1,000 different digital marketing tools, which is called the Commission Toolbox. It's a toolbox that contains different tools in different capacities and capabilities, which are going to aid you to actually transact your businesses and do your whatever you want to do online, because these are tools that you need that ordinarily you're supposed to pay money for, but this is given to you free of charge, and you have over 1,000 of them to make use of. Now when you click any of those links, definitely you'll be able to have access to this. But in any case, when you use the link on my description area to actually buy this product, after your purchase history, under your purchase history in Warrior Plus account of mine, you will find a page that looks like this, which gives you access to the purchase of ProfitBook with this green button, and here you have this blue one giving you access to these amazing bonuses, software, Chrome extensions, and of course all the training courses that I have there, about 7 of them, plus of course over 1,000 digital marketing tools. Okay, so you have basically everything going for you there. Now with that said, let us exactly see what the pricing looks like. The front end goes for $17, and of course here you have the downsell for this front end for $15, and it will give you access to the amazing software that you are going to have experience of. Okay, now you have the pro version, which is the upgrade number 1, and it goes for a downsell of $26. Okay, which is the pro version, which is always advisable. If you buy this for $15, there is always this likelihood that you need to get this so that you cover all the limitations you have on the front end, if there is any whatsoever. Now upgrade number 3 will be also $36.93, and it's the done for you edition of the whole ProfitBook. So it goes for nearly $40, and this is the done for you. Everything is set up for you. And upgrade number 4, which is the downsell of this very upgrade number 3, should be $27 thereabout, which is the downsell for the done for you edition of ProfitBook. There you have the upgrade number 5, which is $197 originally, but you have it here as a discounted price of $97 downsell. And here you have the upgrade number 7, which is going to give you $97 for the IMX bundle, but instead of that price $97, you have it here for discount of $67. So you have basically nothing to give you the excuse to miss this opportunity. If you ask me, of course, that is what I have for you as long as the pricing is concerned. Now let us go to see the amazing sales page. This is the sales page. It says that ProfitBook is a brand new cloud software that turns 1 million plus articles and of course 10,000 plus ebooks into 100% unique content, and of course 24 hours free traffic is included in this, and this will only happen in a very short time. Whether you are a newbie, whether you are a beginner, whether you are experienced, whether you have tech skills, it doesn't matter. This is exactly what the producer and the creator Mike McKay and Radu are saying. Okay, now at your convenience, when you get here, you'll be able to look at the sales video and of course see everything you need to see. It has three basic steps as usual, which is step 1. You simply insert your keyword into the stunning cloud-based software, and there is nothing for you to download, install, set up, or configure. Over 1 million articles and 10,000 ebooks already inbuilt waiting for you. And step 2 will be watch as ProfitBook creates 100% unique content for you out of the thin air. And then of course 3 will be relax as ProfitBook blasts your content to hundreds of traffic sources, bringing of course, number one ranking, free traffic, and commissions to you. So this is basically what you have there, and you can read at your convenience when you arrive here and see all the testimonials from big wigs in the business who are actually reviewing this one, and that will give you information as to what you have obtainable with this one. So it is now up to you to see if this is going to be for you, creating ebooks that you can sell on Amazon. And of course, it has inbuilt traffic system that is going to generate on autopilot these commissions we are talking about. This is exactly what they are projecting as long as ProfitBook is concerned, and I believe you have every reason to try this one. Okay, now here are some of the testimonials, and of course, any of these links, when you get here using the link in my description area, it will definitely give you access to purchase this product under my Warrior Plus account and be able to use it to create your own income online. So this is where we are going to definitely come gradually very close to the end of this review. Let us see if we can locate any bonuses from the vendor so that you see what you stand to gain eventually when you get this very application using my link in the description area of my YouTube video, so that you see that you have basically everything going for you with this one. And these are all the buttons that you need to get the information you want buying this product. So basically there is no bonuses from the vendor. I believe they are located on the software members area, so that you'll be able to see that. Now that will definitely make me ask you, if you are new to my channel, to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and use the bell button for notifications. And definitely I will try my best to make sure that I come back to you in my next review. Till then, I remain your Mike of the MikeMbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from here, and from me, from here is goodbye, guys.